Excited about the latest tech but unsure which gadgets are worth your attention? With countless gadgets hitting the market, it can be tough to find reliable reviews and unboxing experiences that showcase the best features. Unboxing channels give you an up-close look at new gadgets, helping you make informed decisions before you buy. Let's dive into 10 top channels that specialize in gadget unboxings. First up, Unbox Therapy. Famous for its engaging unboxing videos, Unbox Therapy showcases the latest gadgets, offering detailed insights and first impressions. Next we have MKBHD, also known as Marks Brownlee. Marks combines high-quality production with thorough gadget reviews and unboxings, providing a deep dive into tech products with an engaging style. Dave Lee comes in third. Dave offers honest and informative unboxing and reviews of the latest laptops, smartphones and gadgets, often focusing on performance and usability. Fourth, Linus Tech Tips. This channel provides not only unboxing videos but also in-depth reviews and comparisons of tech gadgets, helping you understand the pros and cons. iJustine is fifth on our list. With a fun and relatable approach, iJustine covers unboxings of the latest tech, including smartphones, smart home devices and gaming gear, often with a personal touch. Sixth, TechCrunch. TechCrunch offers a mix of gadget unboxings, news and reviews, focusing on the latest innovations and trends in the tech industry. Seventh, we have CNET. CNET provides comprehensive unboxings and reviews of the latest gadgets, focusing on performance, features and value for money. Eighth, The Verge. The Verge combines unboxing with tech news and reviews, offering a stylish look at the latest gadgets and their implications in the tech landscape. SuperSaf TV is ninth. This channel focuses on unboxing and reviewing smartphones and tech gadgets, providing clear insights and comparisons to help viewers make informed choices. Finally, Engadget. Engadget covers a wide range of gadgets with unboxings and reviews, emphasizing the latest technology trends and innovations. These channels will keep you updated on the latest gadgets and help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Subscribe to the ones you find most appealing and stay ahead in the tech game.